Hello friends, my name is Jay Upadhyay and today I am going to show you how to make your own DIY floating wall shelf and to decorate your wall like this. For some fresh feelings, I white colored my wall and we also wanted to decorate our wall. So we have used golden color and rectangular sponge and we tried to make some pattern and we got this kind of beautiful wall. So here is final output with our quick snap. Now to make a floating wall shelf, I bought 3 timber pieces of this size. First is 2 by 8 by 20 inch, second is 30 inch long and third is 40 inch long. So now the question is how to fix these 3 wall shelves in the wall without using any kind of bracket that anyone can spot, like L-shaped bracket. So after searching for it over the internet, and I found this kind of floating shelf bracket can help me to complete my stuff. As it was not available in my location, so there was no choice for me. So to make our own bracket, I consulted my father-in-law and he helped me to weld our own floating wall shelf bracket, and we got this kind of bracket. There are 2 holes to screw the bracket in the wall, and the long rod we have to drill it inside the wood. Meanwhile, we also polish the wood with light yellow color shade. And now we have to drill a hole in the center height of the timber like this manner. As you can see, we have screwed the wall brackets and now we have to place the bracket rod inside the wooden hole that we have made earlier like this manner. As you can see, I have fixed the smaller shelf in the top, but it's in the center of the bottom shelf. But the middle shelf is on the right side, but it's also starting from the center of tops and bottom shelf. You may use any decorative items to showcase your wall like this. And I'd like to say thanks to my fiancée Ranjana Sanke, as she helped me a lot in this project, and last thing, the total cost of the project was just 800 rupees. And whoa, this is how our wall looks like right now.